In this short video I will show you how to create a neuromorphic motion graphic in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, add a Fusion composition to the timeline. Right click and choose Open in Fusion page. Add a background node and connect to the media out. Then change the color and set to a light gray. Add an ellipse mask and a background node and connect them together. Select the ellipse mask and right click the diamond next to Weave. Then choose Expression. Drag the plus symbol onto Height. Reduce the value to 0.4. Select the background and change the color to a slightly darker white. Press Shift spacebar and add a drop shadow. Set shadow strength to 1. Set the drop angle to 30. Adjust the drop distance to 0.015. Increase the blur to 0.3. Finally change the shadow color to white. Create an instance of the ellipse by copying it with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+Shift+V. In this way the ellipse parameters will remain linked. Add a new background. Connect to the main background to create a merge. Drag the merge into the first viewer. Select the ellipse instance. Right click on solid and choose the instance. This will link the parameter from the main ellipse. Then disable solid. Repeat the same step for border width and increase to 0.045. Also choose the instance for position and length. Then set position to 1.12 and length to 0.25. In this case, solid is disabled to better visualize the background changes. Set the background and change the type to gradient. Set the gradient type to angle. Then change start X to 0.5. Set the first color to orange. Add a second color by clicking on the gradient bar and choose yellow. Then move yellow to 0.3. Add a third color and choose blue. Then move blue to 0.6. Finally select the last color and change it to red. Press Shift spacebar and add a Gaussian blur. And increase the strength to 1. Select the ellipse instance and disable solid again. Now let's move on the animation. At frame 0 add a keyframe on position. Move to frame 149 and set position to 0.12. In this way the colors will rotate by 360 degrees. To smooth the animation, open a spline panel in the top right. Select position and click zoom to fit. Select all keyframes with Ctrl+A and press S. Then close the spline panel. Add a text node and connect to create a new merge. Select the text node and change the color to black. Right click near the node name. Choose Edit Controls. Rename it to counter. Set page to text. Enable integer. Set the range from 0 to 300. Select input as slider control. A counter slider will now appear at the bottom. Right click inside the text box and choose expression. Paste the formula you will find in the description. Go back to frame 0 and change the font to Lemon Milk Regular. Go to transform and adjust offset X to center the text. Add a keyframe on the counter at frame 0. Move to frame 149 and increase the counter to 300. Open the spline panel and click zoom to fit. Select anything with Ctrl+A and press S to smooth the animation. Add another text node along with a merge node. Type the word direction. Change the font to Montserrat Light. Set the color to black. Reduce the size to 0.038. Go to layout and change center white to 0.43. Now add the tracker node. Move the tracker box and reduce the size. At frame 0, click track forward, so it follows the counter's movement. Go to the operators section and select match move. This allows the text node to follow the tracker's movement. Type the letter N and change the font to Lemon Milk Light. And set the color to black. Reduce the size to 0.0434. In the layout section, set center X to 0.55 and center Y to 0.518. As you can see, the letter will now follow the tracker's movement. Now let's animate the letter changes. At frame 25, add a keyframe. Move to frame 26 and change the letter to E. At frame 50, add a new keyframe. Move to frame 51 and change the letter to S. At frame 75, add another keyframe. Move to frame 76 and change the letter to W. At frame 105, add a final keyframe. Move to frame 106 and change the letter back to N. If you want to become an expert in video editing, check out the tutorials I have created for you on this channel. And if you want your videos to reach this level of quality, contact me on email.